Yo, what's up, Soulmates? As you can see in here, we bought ourselves a Michael Jordan rookie jersey, which we would like to partner with our 1985 Jordan 1 Chicago. So, most probably this jersey is from the mid-2000s. As you can see, we have the jock tag right here, more tags inside, some patches, but the problem is the patches at the back are quite faded. So what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna restore it using a masking tape, a pair of scissors, of course Angelus acrylic paint, we're gonna use a red one, and of course a paintbrush. So let's start. So first things first, we have to mask the patches. As you can see in here, we're covering the black parts, we don't paint over them, and this also serves as a protection for the cloth so we don't put paint on the white parts. Next up, time to paint the faded patches. So in here we have to remember to paint the patches evenly and not make it too thick so that it won't crack. And after letting it dry for 24 hours, then we remove the masking tape. So this is how it looked before, and this is how it looks now. We hope you learned something from the video, and if you enjoyed it, kindly hit that like and subscribe button below. Follow us on Instagram and see you on our next vlog. Peace out.